Hello dear fans. What is dialectism? In linguistics, the term dialectism has two main meanings. First, this term is sometimes called a collection of narrower terms such as vulgarism, professionalism, etc. Secondly, and this concept of dialectism is much more established, it is the collective name for the territorial features of speech. On the territory of Russia, there are a huge number of dialects and dialects of the Russian language. This is due to the multinational nature of the state, historical events, and even natural conditions. There are so many dialects that even in one locality, completely different names and pronunciations of one word can be used. There is, for example, the book Speeches of the Akim Village, where in the territory of just one village, dialectologists singled out about 40 dialects. So, dialectisms are linguistic features characteristic of a certain territory and used in literary speech. There are several types of dialectisms. Lexical dialectisms are words that are used exclusively in a given territory and have no phonetically close analogues in other territories. For example, in the South Russian dialects, a ravine is called on top. Despite the fact that these words are used only in one territory, their meaning is familiar to everyone. But ethnographic dialectisms call concepts that are in use only in a certain area. As a rule, these are the names of household items, dishes, etc. For example, paniva, poniva, is a woolen skirt that was worn exclusively in the southern Russian provinces. In the general Russian language, there are no analogues of such a concept. Lexicosemantic dialectisms are words that change their usual meaning in a dialect. As, for example, the word bridge in some dialects, this is the name of the floor in the hut. Phonetic dialectisms are the most common occurrence in dialects. This is a distortion of the familiar sound of the word. For example, bread in the southern Russian dialects is called chlip, and in the northern ones one can hear zist instead of life. Most often, such dialectisms arise due to the fact that the word is difficult to pronounce. For example, elderly people may call a radio rative, because it is easier for the articulatory apparatus. There are also derivational dialectisms, these are words formed differently than in the literary language. In dialects, for example, a calf can be called heifer, and a goose, goose. Morphological dialectisms are forms of words that are unusual for the literary language. For example, me instead of me. Thanks for watching.